in this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN Fantasy app crashing on Android. So if you're facing such error, simply click and hold on to the Fantasy app icon, then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here, click on Clear Cache. After that, what you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And even after that, if it's still not working, you can try looking at your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that it's stable. Now, simply go to Settings. Scroll till the end. Here you will find About Device. Click on it. Here click on Storage. Now from here, check if your storage is completely full or about to be full. Then that might be the reason app keeps on crashing. If there is, then simply delete some unnecessary files and videos. And even after all of this, if it's still not working, then simply click and hold on to the Fantasy app icon. Click on Uninstall, then confirm it. Then press and hold on to your power icon. From here, restart your phone. Once your phone is restarted, go back to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN Fantasy Sports. Then download the app again, log in and try using it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.